Quiet now. Don't tell anyone. This will be our little secret. Quiet now. Don't tell anyone.
It is never your fault if someone makes you feel unsafe. If someone made you feel unsafe, you can come and talk to us or any helpful other.
Our mission at Arpan is to prevent child sexual abuse and heal those affected by it. Through the Personal Safety Education Program, children are empowered to identify unsafe situations and touches, refuse them, and seek help. They are provided with safe spaces to disclose abuse or any distressing situations. Parents and teachers are empowered with knowledge and skills to be vigilant, respond to disclosures by children appropriately, and stop any ongoing abuse.
Child sexual abuse can have profound impact on children. In the short term, it can cause mood swings, nightmares, sleep problems, or even academic struggles. In the long term, it can impact on a child's ability to trust, to form relationships, or even cause mental health concerns like depression, anxiety, suicidal tendencies. Arpan provides therapy with the aim to reduce the impact of child sexual abuse and support children in their journey of recovery. We also provide therapeutic support to young offenders so that they don't re-offend.
Arpan has been conducting teacher training across India through partnerships with the government and other non-profits to replicate and scale the Personal Safety Education Program. Through the government partnerships, the Personal Safety Education curriculum has been integrated into the National Life Skills curriculum and in some state curriculum. Counselors and paraprofessionals are also being trained across the country on providing appropriate therapy to children who've experienced sexual abuse so that we can heal as many children as possible. Campaigns and initiatives such as Child Safety Week and other large-scale public awareness initiatives by Arpan have been a great success in bringing attention to a critical issue like child sexual abuse, which has been surrounded by silence for decades.
It's been an incredible journey of agility and innovation, passion and perseverance, collaboration and commitment, and some fantastic teamwork. As one of the world's largest non-profits, doing impactful work at scale, we've emerged as global thought leaders. I'm very proud to see the spread of our work and the support we've gotten from all over. However, there's much more to be done, millions of more children to be reached. I urge you to join the journey. Let's together create a world free from child sexual abuse.